Today, we'll learn how to provide liquidity on Hifi. To begin, navigate to the Hifi app with the wallet containing some ETH for transaction fees along with USDC to provide liquidity. Now click on the Pool tab at the top of the interface. This brings up different markets you can participate in. In this case, there's only one active market. Once you've found the market you want to participate in, go ahead and click on it. A popover appears with the options to add or remove liquidity. Today we'll be adding $1,000. I click Add Liquidity and my wallet will prompt me to allow the deposit of USDC. Click Sign. Another confirmation dialog will appear for the actual deposit transaction. I hit Confirm and wait for the transaction to be added to the blockchain. As soon as it's added, we'll see the interface update with my balance and the liquidity I provided. Being a liquidity provider earns you a small fee on every repayment, borrow, and lend transaction. On top of that, adding liquidity to Hifi is a great way to support the lending protocol.